Hi, and welcome back. Today, we're going to deep clean these pores and extract every single stubborn blackhead and whitehead we can find. Just a quick reminder before we begin, I am not a dermatologist. This is simply my personal routine done gently and done safely. If anything feels uncomfortable, we stop, always. Get comfortable, put your headphones on, and let's begin. First, we tie the hair back, then we wash our hands thoroughly. This part matters more than people think. Clean hands mean a clean, safe extraction later. No bacteria, no irritation, just calm, careful hands. Step 1, we start with an oil-based cleanser. Watch how it just melts everything away. All that sunscreen, all that makeup, dissolving instantly. We massage it in slow circles, emulsifying with a little water until it turns milky. Now, the water-based cleanser. This is the real deep clean. It reaches into the pore and lifts out what oil alone can't. And there it is, that squeaky clean feeling. Can you hear that? Step 2 exfoliation next, salicylic acid. This one's special. It's oil soluble, which means it actually travels into the pore lining, breaking down the buildup of oil and dead skin from the inside out. You might feel a light tingle. That's completely normal. It's just the acid doing its quiet work. Smooth, gentle, refreshing. Step 3. The mask. Now we apply a charcoal clay mask. Feel how cool that is against the skin? How it just glides on, layer by layer. Pro tip, don't have a charcoal mask at home. Multani Midi works beautifully too. Just mix it with a little rose water into a smooth paste. Same pore clearing effect, a fraction of the cost. Now, we wait about 10 minutes while it dries and tightens. While we wait, let's just breathe together. You're allowed to just sit here doing nothing for a few minutes. That's more than enough. Your skin is quietly working right now, pulling out everything it doesn't need. Step 4. Extractions now, the part you've been waiting for. This tool has been fully sanitized. And I want to be clear, if something doesn't come out easily, we don't force it. We simply stop and move on. Your skin's safety always comes first. Watch this one. That release, that's the satisfying part. Clean, soft pressure, nothing forced. One by one, we clear them gently, patiently. And that's it for this side. Doesn't that look so much smoother already? Step 5, soothing and sealing after extractions. Skin needs to be calmed. Niacinamide and Centella asiatica. Gently pressed in. Feel how it cools almost instantly. Then, a rich moisturizer. Smoothed on in slow upward strokes. Sealing in everything we just did. And if you like, a light tap of eye cream. Just to finish things off completely. Look at that glow. Calm, smooth, clean. If this is a morning routine, don't forget your SPF right after this. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite trigger today. And if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.